front of me is Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll down just a bit. Now click on Display section. Following that, just tap on Adaptive Brightness and click on this sweater next to it. As you can see, my sweater is now orange. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by clicking on it again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!